I just got some ducks here. I got 3 baby ducks, and I just put in the Budgie cage because I'm preparing the other cage right now. But apparently, the Budgie Gimli over here likes the ducks. It's apparently taking warmth from them. So this is weird. I mean, I expected them to fight, or I don't know, for the budgies to bite them or something. This is really weird. Like, I think it's just here for the warmth or something. So here's Legolas. He's a bit freaked out. He's doing something. Yeah, see this? This is real weird. Okay, these are the ducks. Gimli. This is the closest I've ever been to this budgie right here. This is strange.